In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit the time between slides in a presentation in Canva, step by step. This is perfect if you're creating autoplay presentations, video-style slideshows, digital signage, or presentations you want to run automatically without clicking. Adjusting slide timing in Canva is simple once you know where to look, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to control exactly how long each slide stays on screen. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. From here, you'll see all of your recent designs, including presentations you've already created. Next, click on any presentation you want to edit. This will open the Canva editor, where you can see all of your slides laid out either on the side or along the bottom of the screen. Now click on any page or slide within your presentation. You need to select a slide before you can adjust its timing, so make sure one slide is actively selected. Once your slide is selected, look at the top toolbar. Here, click on the Edit Timing button. This is where Canva lets you control how long the slide appears when the presentation is played automatically. After clicking Edit Timing, you'll see timing controls for the slide. You can adjust the duration by dragging the slider left or right, or you can manually enter the number of seconds you want the slide to stay on screen. For example, you might choose 5 seconds for quick slides or 10 seconds for slides with more text. If you want the same timing to apply to all slides in your presentation, make sure you click on Apply to All Pages. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're working with long presentations and want consistent timing throughout. Once you're happy with the timing, it's time to preview how it works. Go to the top right corner and click on Share. From the Share menu, click on the Present button. This opens Canva's presentation options. Next, click on the Autoplay option. Autoplay ensures that your slides will automatically advance based on the timing you just set, without you needing to click or press any keys. Finally, click on Present. Your presentation will now play automatically, using the timing you configured between each slide. Watch through a few slides to make sure everything flows the way you want it to. And that's it. You've successfully edited the time between slides in a Canva presentation and enabled autoplay. This is great for creating hands-free presentations, looping displays, or exporting presentations as videos. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.